Hello, my name is Alejandro Ramirez Limas. I am the Solutions Architect for the Solicitation Management System sponsored by the Washington State Department of Commerce. Hello, in this video, we will show you how to complete the funding opportunity approval workflow. From the home page, once you have read and agreed to the disclaimer, choose Agree and Enter. From the Approvers portal, select Assigned Approvals. Under the assigned approvals, you will notice a few items within the list, including the RFX number, RFX title, approval status, approval due date, and the email address of the coordinator that assigned this approval to you. Select the funding opportunity that you wish to complete an approval for, press the action menu, and select Go to Approval Workflow. Once this page loads, you will notice the funding opportunity details at the top, as well as a Open Word document button. Go ahead and press the Open Word document button. The Open Word document button will load a fully functional word processor. Here you will be able to add comments, navigate through the funding opportunity, and have access to multiple tools that you may use to comment within the document. This document is for the approvers. Feel free to modify it as you need, as it will not affect the final product of the coordinator. From here, to maximize this page, press on the square at the top right of your screen, which will give you a full page to work with. On the top left, you will notice the navigation pane. If you select this, it will open the navigation for you. If your ribbon is hidden, simply go to the tab you want to work with, and then press on the arrow on the bottom right of the screen, and then here select Always Show Ribbon. As you notice, there's a classic ribbon and a single line ribbon. I personally prefer to work with the classic ribbon as it provides me with more options. Once you familiarize yourself with the word processor, you may begin the approval process. In this case, we're going to navigate to the funding section of the funding opportunity, and we're going to add notes to it. So from the navigation pane, I'm going to find funding, which will bring me to the funding section of this opportunity. And to add comments to it, I will simply highlight this section, press comments, and press new comment. And now I will add the comments for this section. In this case, I want to tell the coordinator to please modify the funding for this opportunity because the budget has been changed to $300,000 and they're using $200,000. Once you're satisfied with the comment, press Post. Complete the same step for any section that you want the coordinator to focus on. Once you're done adding your comments, you may simply close this document. There is no need to stop and save, as this document will be saved automatically as you go. So simply close the document. This will bring you back to the page where you started from. Here, because we are not satisfied with this funding opportunity, we're going to say that it is rejected. And under the notes, I'm going to tell the coordinator why it was rejected. So here I'm going to say, please check section 1.4. The budgeting has been modified. Comments are in the document. Here for the notes, I'm going to say, please check section 1.4. The budgeting has been modified. Comments are in the document. Once you're satisfied with all the comments that you want to provide to the coordinator, press Submit. After pressing Submit, you will notice a message letting you know that your submission completed successfully. You may come back as often as necessary to this RFX approval workflow in order to add or edit the notes that you want to give to the coordinator. And this concludes our video presentation regarding the funding opportunity approval workflow process. Thank you for watching.